What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare and for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, but we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much. You may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business that's in your family for 37 years and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay? Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, but we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat
GM friends, GM, if you can hear me, of course, drop a W in the chat. Let's get started. It's time for the Memecoin show. Crypto is back, and it's time for us to really stay in line and accumulate as much money as possible in this greatest opportunity that we have. So if you can hear me, of course, drop a W. I'm so glad to have you guys back here. We had so much fun yesterday, and we're also going to have more fun tonight. How is everybody doing? I'm sure we're all having our incredible day. It's green It's a green day in crypto. It's very rare these days, so you have to embrace these days. It has been a very tumultuous 2 months where we have seen crypto only go down, and now we're starting to see the signs of a return of the market. A lot of good things happening right now. So I'm so happy about it. I don't know about you guys. Okay, I'm going to share my screen now so that we can start to get real. Oh, we already have other people like Derek saying that crypto is not back. It's eventually gonna die. Those are some strong words, sir. And I can tell you one thing about it. If you ever hear someone says something like what Derek is saying, he's essentially saying that crypto is going to die. It's not coming back. Here's something that I can tell you. The world, as far as technology, does not go backwards. We don't move forward and embrace a certain technology that has been invented and go back to live without it. An example of this is we now have the internet. We will never experience a world without internet anymore. Do you understand? It's just part of humanity now. So for you to say that crypto is going to die, it's almost saying like, oh, the internet is going to die eventually. It's just a FUD. No, sir, you're wrong. What's Andrew? All right, guys. So if you're just joining us, man, welcome to the Memecoin show. My name is Gray, to the B, to the T, to the C. And you watching the Memecoin show. I come live here every day, spend some time with you guys. We like to have fun, but most importantly, we like to make money. We like to make money, especially with crypto. So if you're just joining us, man, you're an amazing person right now. You're gonna make it. You're gonna make it in these trenches of cryptocurrency. We trade meme coins, we trade altcoins, we trade anything. So let's start looking at our current portfolio. Where do we stand? You remember a couple of days ago, I opened a $60,000 position on Ethereum. Now we are in $3,000 profit. Yesterday, we were at $500 in profit. You can see that 24 hours in crypto can make a huge difference. Yesterday, we were down bad. We were like only $500 in profit, but now we're at $3,400 in profit. 24 hours can change a lot of things. Now, I want you to extrapolate that and think of 2 months and 6 months and a year. How much progress can we really make? So if you took this trade with me, congratulations, and fist bump, special fist bump to you for doing the right thing. And having fun. And I want to make it clear, nothing that I say in this video or in my content should ever be considered financial advice. I just like having fun with this stuff, and I share what I do. So I will now start to play around with this position. So now that we're in profit, we can close the chapter of ever being in a loss again. We entered this position at 1,979. I will now put our stop loss at $2,000, basically solidifying that no matter what, we will never lose money on this position. We will break even at worst case scenario. Even at worst case scenario, we're going to make $600. My friends, this is how we trade. Okay. So, sorry. So this is our I don't worry about the take profit. I just worry about the exit price, stop loss. There we go. So the stop loss has been inserted, and we can live life and enjoy. This is how we trade, guys. Always having fun, minimizing losses, and making sure that we're still exposed to the upside. So whenever we feel like we want to take profit at some point, we can do it. But the reason why I'm doing it this way is because I believe in the return of Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to have a big pump at some point, and I want to catch it. I don't want to miss out on it at all. I want to catch that moment in crypto. So never say I didn't tell you. And Jason N says, which platform you use to trade longs and shorts? Okay, this is Bybit. Now, Bybit, I have a link in the description to this platform. You can find it link in my bio, but also there are some moments shared in my description of this video. I'm always sharing the links. If you use my links to sign up for everything that I use, you get a bunch of free stuff, free money, free welcome bonuses, VIP status, and so on and so forth. So make sure you utilize that, of course. Make use of it. And I have other ideas. I have other ideas. For example, I still have, I think, about 12 or 14K that I can use. Okay, so I want to open a position on a specific coin, but I still haven't pulled the trigger just yet. But any moment, I think I see myself doing it. So it might be on this live stream. It might be on tomorrow's live stream. We'll see about that, guys. But I think we're having fun. There's a lot of money to be made, especially on the upside. Papa YSC from AskCoin are here as well, celebrating. You know, the AskCoin community is always positive, and they pop on the stream and have fun with us. So shout out to you guys. And yesterday we took some positions on the football that were happening yesterday. And check it out. This is how everything ended up. Okay, settled. Let's go to the settled. So on the Germany, Italy, I said draw. I predicted draw, and boom, I won. I put a K down. I came out with 3,600. On Portugal, I also said match winner is going to be Portugal. You guys told me about that, and we are also successful in that. And for Spain and Netherlands, I said draw. I put a K down, also came out with 4K. And on Spain, Netherlands, I think this is what we lost a couple of days. Oh, I put 2. I actually made 2 in Spain, right? So I had put in 3K. I lost it. But overall, we're actually winning because on Germany, we made 11K. So that's good. So far, we're now sitting at $34,000, chilling in our balance right now on Dexport. Again, link to this platform also should be in my description and link in bio as well. It's all purely crypto, so you can do all this stuff with crypto. You don't have to use your credit card and all these other annoying Web2 stuff. No KYC, what. It's amazing. So I'm just here to have fun and also make money, guys, doing it. It's amazing. We're living in a special time in human history where we can sit at home and be able to do this. I'm thankful for it. And it's even better when you can do it with a community around us. With all of us together, it makes it even more fun. Okay, so the coin that I want to go along on is called TON. You guys already know about this coin. But let's do a little TA. I want to open a new chart here. It has to be plays. Yeah. I think there might be a pop-off effect on Aptos, but also on TON coin, these two. So I really want to put a big position on TON. Maybe I'm nuts for doing this, but I think that it's the right thing to do, guys. So you tell me, but this is what the monthly chart looks like. If you zoom in onto the weekly, it looks like it's coming back. Looks like it's a resurgence of TON after a long time of down only market. And if I turn on my Nitros indicator, I think the bullish candle on the weekly has been called ever since August of 2024. Since then, this coin haven't had a run on the way up. It's why it's making me think that we might be on the cusp of an upside boom of TON and to make it great again. could easily double from here and beyond. And similarly, if you look at the daily, TON is coming back. It's the nitrous bull already called it bullish several days ago, right here on this candle. And since then, it's been going out. Now, you can see that it's standing right here. We have some resistance right now. There's some resistance here. And once we break out and we reach about 3.86 again this time around, I think we're going to send it to the moon. So what I will do now is open another long position on TON. And I'll do it right here with you so that I can show you. I like to show you guys what I'm doing. And when I'm losing money, you're able to see it. When I'm winning, you're able to see it. Wins and losses, but we never stop. We just keep on going. Okay, so I'll put $5,000. I'll put $25,000, but leverage. Screw it. 25K leverage. Here we go. Here we go. Enter position. Boom, we in. TON coin, sir. Send it to the moon. Okay, we entered here. And where would I actually ideally want to stop loss this? Okay, it's getting picked up at around 3.506. So I'll give it some grace and say 3.49. Yeah, I'm okay with that kind of risk, sir. I'm a risk taker. All right, so I think that's what I've decided to do. So I still have some funds available here that are still chilling. I have $9,000 remaining. For that right now, I'll use it to maintain the cross positions so that I have deeper liquidation price. So for TON, for example, my liquidation price is 17 cents. That's way far from where we are right now. So I think it's a good play. And then we also have the Ethereum position, which is still running right now. So we'll see how it goes. The more, if any of these positions grow and they become profitable, I can keep leveraging on that balance and to open more positions and on and on. That's how it goes. Anyway, let's go into the trenches, the Memecoins world. So lender is coming back. Trump, a little come back. We discussed that yesterday. Dogecoin, ENA. And a lot of things are changing here. And even Mudang is recovering. Everything is basically up green today. Pepe, which I discussed a couple of days last week, actually I talked about Pepe. It's coming back. WorldCoin. So there's a lot of recovery. Even Ando Finance is coming back. But let's look at the real trenches, actually, the actual trenchy. Wow! AI rig complex, ARC is now up 53%. What the hell is going on, guys? What the but it makes sense, bro. It's $77 million. You see it now that the market is starting to pump. Things are starting to get more clear. There's a lot of oversold shit. Everything is oversold right now. So we can look at the top gainers quickly. We got ARC, Call, Fog is coming back, Zerbro, Base Fartcoin. Oh my gosh, Mog. which we discussed yesterday. SPX. Oh my gosh, man. What the hell is going on? Giga, everything is back. We're bouncing back strong, baby. So Mu Deng definitely should also be able to do something. Let's see. How is baby Mu doing? Okay, single digit, lovely. I like to see that because I know that the upswing kind of from here is going to be diabolical, like back to the hundreds of millions of dollars. So basically, we are sitting at $39 million, and it seems like all the sleepers are still sleeping. Nobody's doing anything about this. You're watching Mu Deng at $39.8 million from 600 mil. And you guys want to act like this is normal. You want to act like this is normal. I believe you. Okay, it's normal. Mu Deng is nothing. Yeah, man, this candle is going to be the most diabolical, and it's going to be a huge party. I think I'll make the last tweet about this today on Twitter. I'll be like, hey, I'm reminding everybody one more time about Mu Deng. Never say I didn't tell you, because it's about to pop off. So we'll see you guys on the moon. If you ever doubted Mu Deng, it's about to happen. It's definitely not normal. This is crazy. This is absolutely bananas. What's the good platform to start on? First, get a centralized exchange account, I would say, because it's easier to buy different coins from there. And then even if you start trading on chain, you can also withdraw gas fees from your centralized exchange. So Bybit is, depending on where you are, but Bybit is the best right now. So you get on Bybit, you either or get on CoinW. Links to these platforms that I used to trade are in the description of my videos. So you have no excuse to not find them. Go use those links to get a bunch of benefits and get started. It's really simple. And you can just buy some Bitcoin, buy some Solana, buy some Sonic, just like do something. You learn while you do. This is not a game where you spend months and weeks just reading about it. You have to get in. You have to get into action. You still do BitGet? Yeah, I still use BitGet, yeah, for sure, for some things, but it's not my preferred go-to platform. I use mostly Bybit, CoinW, and then the rest is on-chain. I don't even use Binance that much anymore. I've been holding strong, looking to buy more. Yeah, you see, you're a true G. You're a real Batman. Did you do your morning routine, bro? Bro, I did it. I did my morning routine. In fact, tomorrow I'll have to film it because, yeah, I have to film it tomorrow because I did it, but I just didn't film it. To be fair, my morning routine is not exactly that extreme, but it is kind of similar. The whole ice thing, ice in the face, and I do my push-ups and stuff like that. But, you know, I think it's going to be fun to just share it tomorrow so that you guys can see it. Okay, so let's get back into the trenches on Solana right now. What is going on? I hear that people are saying that BNB has been popping off. I don't believe it. I haven't seen the numbers. Like, what is it that has been going bananas on BNB that you can be like, yeah, that was a big play? Which one exactly? Because, man, the infrastructure on BNB sucks. It just makes it really terrible to trade memes. But is there anything out of BNB that you can be like, yeah, this has been a big deal? Binance launch pools. Okay, what's going on in Binance launch pools? Like on the actual Binance platform, centralized platforms? I need to tell me the tokens that have been hot on there, other than the launch pool stuff. It's usually mid. Yeah, man. Hopefully April and May are gonna be pumps because I'm tired also of this down only market. It's like, bro, we want to pump. It's what we want. Now, you see, I'm now getting messages of people asking me about crypto now. It's like only one day of a pump, only one green day. And people are already like, bro, what do you think about the market? Is this the right time to buy? I'm like, bro, I've been telling you, buy the dip. You're about to find out. Waiting for Binance to list Ando for the condo. I do agree. I think at some point they will do it. They don't have a choice. WikiCat on BNB is the best community right now. $6.5 million, 3 years old. I doubt it. I doubt if that's the one. Yeah, I don't think right now we have seen anything really serious to bat an eye on. Yeah, John, welcome, man. Thanks for watching. I tried to watch, but I can't stop scanning. Yeah, bro, you always gotta scan. Non-stop scanning. You never know what's gonna pop off, you know. You see, the funny thing about this game is in Memecoins, you're always one click away from your life-changing trade. You're literally just right there. It can just happen. Pop, you see it. After one refresh, you snipe it, you get in, you wake up the next morning, life is no longer the same. So I don't blame anybody for scanning. Keep scanning, man. Stay scanning. I do think, though, that the market has returned indeed. But one thing you need to know and keep in mind is there will always be a shift in narrative. So meme coins will definitely come back and they'll be stronger. I told you yesterday that it's not about looking for new memes right now. Just ride the ones that are already established and they're good and they're oversold. But the reality is, just make sure right now that you're clicking, because you're one click away and then everything is going to be over. You can defeat poverty and debt and struggle with one simple click at the right time, guys. So you just have to keep doing this. So right now, the market will return. As we're looking for memes that will work, we also have to be open-minded here to know that the narrative this time around might be completely different. It could still be Memecoin, it could be something else. Gaming could come back. I feel like something else new it will trigger. We're waiting for the trigger right now. So a trigger is usually something completely different. So I think we have seen this whole Solana morning routine. Yeah, it's fun, but I think we'll see something that's going to be big and a huge success. And then everybody will try to copy or remake that. That's how it always happens. And I am deeply looking for that specific project. It's why I keep on scanning. Anything for Click says, I told you, $89,000 by Monday. Yeah, man, good call. I have to give it to you. And he'll continue to doubt me. I believe you, bro. I believe you, sir. So basically, there are not any new tickers out there that have taken the world by storm. The things that we can look at are things that we already know. The likes of Fartcoin, which I think it's a gigantic window right now to pick up. And I can tell you right now, Fartcoin on Solana is dominant, but I think Fartcoin on Base is also going to do well. So you can see now the chart is sort of reversing itself. We're looking at the U shape in the making right now, drawing itself this. This is what we're waiting for. And breakout for Fartcoin, for example, it's basically right on this candle. If it breaks out, boom, we're going back to $1 to where we were supposed to be, and beyond and beyond and beyond. The moment Bitcoin strikes $100,000 again, I don't know what happened there. I think my computer is giving up on me. Time to lock in. Exactly, man. I'm so excited. This time around, this pump has found me ready. Because when it started the last time, I was in Bali and then I was traveling. I had to come back to Dubai and I had to go to Russia. But this time around, let it come. I am ready, locked in. I have my setup. Everything is basically working. I'm just waiting for the pump. So, Buran, if you're really ready for me, I'm ready for you. Come now, do something. Do something. Let's see if any, I'll remind the people on Twitter that we're live and we're moving. All eyes On dog go to the moon. Okay, let's share this on X. Tell the people that we live so that they can join in. All eyes on dog go to the moon. Okay, this is the section where I talk about dog go to the moon. There we go. So one coin that I've been observing carefully, and we have also been talking about it on this channel, is dog go to the moon. This is a meme coin on Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin meme coin. You could say of it's now the official meme coin on Bitcoin. Dog. I mean, guys, it's down 80%. The lowest it has been 14 days ago. We're now up 31% since then. But we're still 79% down. With all the losses that people have made on meme coins, right? You sort of ask yourself, what will retail look for when they come back to the trenches? They will now be looking for things that have already existed, and the loudest communities about memes out there will be the ones that definitely drives the pump. So one thing that I can tell you right now is look into dog go to the moon. It's now fully listed on several exchanges. It's no longer only on Bitcoin. It's now on Solana as well. It's also obviously on several centralized exchanges. The community of this coin is pushing for a Binance listing like crazy. So you might as well look into it. My idea was to set up a dog go to the moon, sort of a dog strategic reserve where I buy X amount of dog every week. I still haven't started because I thought the market was going to dip lower. But look what's happening. SPX is up there sending 61 cents and so on and so forth. But I'm talking about dog right now. So let's stick to the subject. Dog go to the moon. Extremely undervalued right now, if you ask me. So this is the most, I think it's an obvious play. Just look at this chart, guys. This is a monthly chart for dog. It's floored completely under where it started, way below from where it actually started. So there is a big gap to make here. There's a lot of room to maneuver. Keep it this way. For dog to even ever reach a new all-time high, it's 2,000% from where it's at now. So you got a 20x opportunity right there sitting in front of you. So I'm just saying this to say, never say that I didn't tell you, because I'm doing it now. All right. Never say at any moment that I don't trust you. I don't tell you guys, because I always tell you well in advance. And if you look at the Magic Eden, it looks like something is going on. If you look at Magic Eden and you look at the runestone, right? the trading activity on Runestone also spiked up last week. There was like high trade volume, and the price was also pumping. I don't know what the reason was behind it, but the real deal is that there are people actually who are buying this stuff. Look, 11 minutes ago. And this is an NFT on Bitcoin. As dead as NFTs are, there are people still interacting with these assets on Bitcoin. So which exchange can you get DOG? You can get DOG on, let me just show you. You can get DOG on CoinW. Link to CoinW is in the description of my video. Use my link to get free bonuses. Plus, you also get lower fees if you use my link. CoinW, it's an amazing platform. They list Memecoins super early. It was one of those platforms that listed DOG at the beginning. So I use it also to trade here. Make sure you take advantage of it. Is there going to be another Runestop airdrop for DOG Go to the Moon? There will be another airdrop for Runestone holders, but it's not going to be another DOG coin. It will be maybe another NFT or another coin, who knows. But I think it will only happen when DOG hits a certain market cap. I forgot what the number is. It was 20 billion. I don't know what the number was. You guys can remind. There might be some DOG people here in the chat. You can remind us. Michigan State won. It was free money. Okay, so what about tonight? Can we make some money? What's going on tonight? So yeah, check this out, guys. Look at my win rate. It's like 26. I think I'm 24 out of 30. I'm pretty proud of myself because I'm like a jackass and a complete noob in this, but I'm still in there. I'm still doing my thing, you know what I mean? So let's see if there is something going on right now. So there is a game here, FIFA World Cup qualifiers, Gambia and Cote d'Ivoire. Ooh, okay, that one there's no chance. I think it's already done deal. Madagascar, Ghana, it's already over. Yeah, if you guys have any ideas, let me know. What can we do here? There's a lot of football going on. The Spanish La Liga 2 also going on. And you've got FIFA World Cup qualifications Europe, which is fun. Currently, there's Albania and Andorra. Wait, what? Albania, Andorra, 15.59. How is that possible? But it's already 2-0. Ah, okay, I see. I see. This is a tie. Poland, Malta, San Marino and Romania, Bosnia, Cyprus, England, Latvia. I mean, what are the chances of Latvia scoring a goal? So super low. Yeah, whether it's basketball, just tell me whatever. I'm gaming. I have $30,000 here that I can play with. 34K. What do you think about Pi coins? Okay, let's talk about Pi again. Oh, let's look at Murad portfolio is probably now up to 20 mil. Hey, there we go. Yeah, look, man, Murad never sell. He's still holding. And look at him, $20 million. He just needs to do another, the coins just have to double, and then he's back to where he was. He's back on top of the world. So selling is not always the smartest thing to do, guys. Hold on to your bags. It's just a matter of time if you believe in what you're holding. Him Crypto says 88K is loaded. Yeah, you might. I mean, I wouldn't mind shorting it a little bit to like 85K because we could see a little downward spiral, a little bit, a little chaotic dump before we continue going up. So usually when Bitcoin pumps for more than 5%, it experiences a little cool period, and it's usually violent. So for you guys, Pi coin people, Pi is not a real coin. Find something more interesting. Yeah, Bitcoin now going under a little bit. I want that to happen, actually. I want it to go down to like 85K. Just for a moment, so that I can load up. Because if Bitcoin drops to 85K, a lot of the memes will also drop, which is, I think, is going to be a good thing. Pi breaks 87 cents. It's dead. Yeah, look, Pi, it's dead. I'm just waiting for the right time to enter another short. What do I think about Mubarak? So I think Mubarak is like a... Mubarak, $133 million. BNB. I think I'm late on this one, man. I'll let it pass. CZ just sadly acknowledged that he's Mubarak, a typical cryptic move from the Binance boss who, those who follow CZ long enough, I know that, I see. Who is behind this coin? Is it Elza? Is Elza posting about this meme coin? Elja. I expected Elja to be posting about this coin. Why is he not? He's not in. Okay, let's see. If he is in, I might buy. But then why didn't he tell me about it? Huh? That is quite sus. Mubarak. No, he's not even in it. Wow, that's crazy. Everybody is on this guy's memes, man. He has made some of the greatest memes. Respect to the man. Yeah, maybe he's not aware. But so Mubarak, should I buy this? Or I think it's too late for me. I mean, I could probably buy it if it dips, but right now, no. Mubarak. I like the website though. It's so Dubai. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'll have to look at the tokenomics of this maybe. The liquidity looks okay. $5.1 million in there, 133 mil market cap. But you see, what we can say though is that this is a great indicator that the market maybe we're back a little bit, because you never seen runs like this in the middle of nowhere, coins running up to $100 million in the middle of the dump. Maybe the worst is now behind us, guys. We can now get excited again and look forward to making money again, make crypto great again. And that I am excited about. That one I'm excited about. Let me see if my short position went in, because I also want to get some of that free money. Oh, yeah, it did went in. I love it. I love to see it. I love it. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go. The reason I came here, I just wanted to tell you that the market is back. It's now time for us to lock in, stay inside, and trade and make money again. Those days are back. And we will, in the next few days, we shall be experiencing the good old days where we log in, we buy something, it pumps 20% there, 100% there, 3x, 6x over there, 10x in 1 month. The days are back now. All we got to do is to lock in and put in the work. So I'll see you tomorrow with a lot more fun things to enjoy. But for now, I got to go. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. All the platforms I'm using here on this, when I'm trading or whatever I'm doing, links are in the description or links in my in bio of all my platforms. Dom says strip clubs are back. Perhaps I might just turn this into one. So let's wait for Bitcoin to hit $120,000. Then I might just open one right here next to me. All right. Thank you guys, and stay awesome. I'll see you tomorrow tomorrow we can stream for 7 hours if you want. I'll have all the time. Cheers.